Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your name on Facebook. If you want to change your name on Facebook using your iPhone, whether you've changed your legal name, want to update your profile or simply need to fix a spelling mistake, Facebook lets you update your name directly from the app. And in this guide, I will walk you through every step of the process. So first what you need to do is you need to unlock your phone and you need to go to your Facebook app and make sure to sign into your account if you already have not so. And after that, in the top left, we can find there's an option for the three-lined icon there. Tap there, and this will open the menu where you can access your account setting and preferences. Under here, you need to go to your settings and privacy on the bottom, and again you need to select to the setting there. And over here we can find there's an option for the account center. In the top, tap on the account center, and Facebook now manages personal information through Meta's account center here. And over here you need to tap on your profiles and personal details in the top. Again, select to your profile, and here you can tap on the name. And over here you can also enter your new name, and after entering your new name you can tap on the review change, and Facebook will show different display option so you can see how your name will appear, and select save changes again on the bottom to confirm the change. And that is it, your name has been updated successfully. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you.